Okay, so I wonder why this is happening. There could be a whole bunch of things going on here. So I'm just going to suggest a few things. So it could be that the mix between your voice and the instruments that you're singing with is out of whack, so that the instruments are relatively loud relative to your voice. And that may fix your issue. It could be that your vocal tone is maybe a little bit sort of dull or not bright enough. We often talk about forward resonance having a brightness in your vocal tone. It could be that that's not happening, and so therefore your voice is a little bit less intelligible. So you can go and learn about how to have a more forward placement with your vocal tone. It could be that you're not enunciating your lyrics clearly enough. And so I would suggest if that is maybe what's happening, that you could rehearse your lyrics slowly, like I just slowed down there, and then gradually speed them up and record yourself so that you can hear the beginnings and ends of words. Those consonants are so important. With singing, we focus so much on the vowels because that's where all the beauty happens, in the vowels. But those consonants are what give us the intelligibility. The final thing that could be happening is that the particular genre and style of music that you're doing isn't really about the lyrics. And so maybe someone in the audience doesn't really get that. And you've had a comment from someone who's just not used to your genre saying, well, I can't understand your words. But you have to ask yourself, like, is the song just creating a vibe and it's not really about the lyrics? Because there are songs that are kind of like that. So you decide how important it is to you that your lyrics are understood, and then go from there.